liver problem. I'm even on medication of liver. Medication for liver. So many other things. So young. So many other things. But I believe
for an outing with friends. Yep, why not?
I believe I'll be killed.
The sound of the water from the fountain is so amazing. Look at that. Why not? And with the mother in our midst, everything is going down so well. Yes, we are here for an outing at a friend's house. We came to check on a friend that has not been well for some time, and it's nice to catch up. We did our masters together as a group, and it is so good seeing each other, being together. Yeah, these are friends. The sound is so cute, and with the sun coming through, look at that. The sun is about to set. Okay, good people, allow me to sign out. Yeah, that is me. This is me here. Bye. Thank you for coming along. Let me enjoy my tea.